Hi, YouTube, everybody else, and welcome to Fix My Car, episode 1. So, if you want to go, you have to do that stuff. I'm really good at this game. I love this game. I've completed this one and the other ones a lot as well. So now it's gonna come up with this should. And if you didn't grab the drill. So yeah, you're gonna do this. Watch it. Just take your time. It's giving you a lot of stuff, as you can see. Stuff you really need. So I'm gonna take you somewhere. I'm gonna put the wheels on it because I really like them. And there's more. So yeah. Yeah! I just gotta go! So what you wanna do is you grab this and sit. You put the roller down. Then you need that chain, I think it was. Yeah. Now I just need one more. I can't remember where it is. Wait a second. Oopsie. Oops. Brother knows where it is, but I'm not gonna talk to him. Because he's being a pain in my bottom. And if you have no brothers and that guy, brothers, I wish I was you. This one feel just take. Oh, best brothers, but nope. So yeah, guys. Hey guys, I just got the nitrous. See, yeah. No, and you put under. No. Oh yeah, I remember. So this one, gotta go over here, go over here. I forgot about it. Sorry guys. With the roll cage, you doesn't actually choose what color it is. You get to. So, jack some. Some was it again? Exhaust. Would have been the exhaust. Or not. It would be this stuff. Or not. Wait. There. Prime the frame. I never knew I could pick that up yet. I just forget. I haven't played this game for ages. And all you guys that hate brown, sorry. I didn't get to pick it. So yeah. Going to do well the exhaust. Now, so what I'm going to do is grab this. that, that, then you grab should look like that. Then what you want to do is, wait, I can't remember. Oh, I get it now. So go to the computer, up here there, and guys, this is only episode 1. So the code was again, what? I don't understand. Select your own thing. So guys, I forgot. So we have to turn this way. Helicopter. I can't. It doesn't tell you code. Select your own film. So yeah. Order one of the other book. I thought it was the computer. Wow. So I'm wasting my in episode 1. Use. I don't even remember anything. So go into here. Look inside. Never seen that. So there is better out here. There. Don't buy this. Okay. I'm not allowed to buy the other one. So guys, when you want it, so do that. Oh, now I know. So go over here. Make sure you have this, this, this. That's what it should look like. So two more things, and then episode 2 is over, guys. And yeah, episode 2 will be out tomorrow. We'll be here tomorrow. And yeah, 2, what? 2, 3. Then guys, get. Where is it then?
What game is that?
So yeah.
You're recording, yeah?
Yes.
Can I play? Shush! You're recording. Calm down.
So that's about me yelling at my brother. So what I want to do is find and install the diff. I don't know what a diff is. So yeah. If you do, you're lucky, just message me what a diff is. And yeah, I might need YouTube. I might, but I might not. And I don't want it. So that is that. found out what a diff is. That thing there is called a diff. It's an onion. And then what you need is this here. Would you grab the other tool, the points, or whatever. So yeah, get an awesome engine. This is gonna be the final thing, guys, because I have to quit or stop recording for a bit, and tomorrow will be the nearly the end of it, and yeah, so I want that engine. So yeah, so then that one there looks cool. That there looks cooler, but that there's faster. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe. I only got 1 subscriber right now, so yeah, have fun. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed learning about it. Episode 2 will be tomorrow. Peace out.